everybody. Welcome into Rock Painting 101. I hope you're faring well out there, keeping busy, painting loads and loads of rocks. I'll tell you what, by the time this is all said and done, I'm going to be dumping mountains of rocks around town. I've kind of decided we're supposed to stay in our homes as much as possible. I do walk my dog, but I'm trying not to actually go out to where I would normally be hiding rocks. So I'm just stacking them up. So for those of you joining in, hello, I see a couple people popping in. Feel free to say hi and where you're watching from. We're doing a cute little rock today. It's whimsical and fun and kind of lighthearted, and anybody will be able to do this one. So we're just gonna start by, I'm using my pastel colors, except for the yellow. I think this is the regular yellow, but I can't find my pastel yellow. So you can use whatever colors you have. You can do this with dotting tools as well. I am going to film myself doing this with dotting tools. I just know for live using the paint pens is quick because of our dry time. So I'm just gonna put a layer of the kind of green color that comes in this pack. You can use a regular green as well along the bottom. And then I'm just gonna kind of create some stripes, which will actually be vertical stripes, like so, along the bottom here. There we go. Okay. Hello, Terry. Hello, Joan. Then I'm gonna, while I have this color out, I'm gonna create circles close to the top of my rock. I'm gonna be making some cute little long, you know how sometimes the wildflowers have those really long stems and they kind of just sway in the breeze. They almost defy gravity, that they can stand up in the breeze even though they're so long and skinny. That's kind of what we're going for here. So I'm just gonna work my way through all my colors. You can overlap, like some can be higher and lower, but you want a fairly clean line down to the bottom where we're gonna have our stems. Some of them might overlap a little bit, and that's okay. I'm just doing a few of each color here. See, like this one is most likely gonna overlap somehow, but that's all right. And we're gonna even throw blue flowers in here. These pastel colors just really make me happy. There we go. I hope you guys are all keeping busy. I see quite a few of you guys popping in now. You've been doing anything besides rock painting? I know I posted, I've been doing a lot of jigsaw puzzles. I do a lot of jigsaw puzzles. I saw somebody say that they were crocheting and knitting and things like that. All good ideas. We need hobbies to keep us busy while we're all staying home right now, right? I know we reach well outside of the United States, but I'm pretty sure just about everybody is dealing with the same thing right now and staying home and out of the regular day-to-day stuff. So what we're gonna do first, I'm pulling up and away towards the grass here. So we're just gonna start at the bottom of each flower and very light. So if you don't have paint pens, you can use a very small liner brush. Just water down your black paint a little bit because you don't want it to spread. Like you don't want it to be thick and squish out to the side. So get a liner brush and some black paint. You could do this as well, just water it down. We're just gonna start at the bottom of each flower and we're just gonna quickly pull towards the grass. And see, like this one's gonna overlap. So it will just be in the front. Just gonna pull it to the side. And I'm purposely, it's okay if you're not leaving a solid line all the way down. Got this one way up here. We'll have him kind of swaying a little bit in the breeze. There we go. Okay, so now they've kind of all have got their little stems. Sewing masks, you know, you guys are all angels. The people that are sewing these masks, that's phenomenal. I cannot sew. I have a sewing machine and I just cannot sew. But that is wonderful for you all that are saying you're doing that. It really does take everybody's little bit of help, and it's making a big difference. So we're also going to do some extra along the grass just to give it some more texture. Just a few extra ones, just kind of come along here. And you can have a few of them come up even higher. Maybe they're ones that haven't quite sprouted all the way up. And that's why it doesn't matter if you kind of have some hiccups in your stripes. It's just kind of this delicate look. Okay, now you want to wait until your dots are dry. Like I said, if you want to do this with acrylic paints, you can. Just use some sort of dotting tool or the end of a paintbrush to make your dots, and just make sure they're completely dry before you do this next step of adding the flowers to them. So we're just going to go along. I've got 3 different kind of patterns that we're going to do on these flowers. We're going to do a simple, just 4 petal looking flower. I'm trying to think, what colors did I put down first? I think I did this peach one pretty early. So you can do a 4 petal flower, real simple, over your color like that. You can do a simple little mini spiral like that. You can even just do like a little X on it like that, and just go across all of them and create these little adorable flower patterns. I'm going to turn my rock upside down so I don't accidentally put my hand on the rock itself. I'm just going to move around doing all 4 of these different designs, kind of spreading them out a little bit until I have all my flowers done around my rock. And this looks really cute on smaller rocks. I'll show you my tester rock. I did on one of my really small rocks. I did this. And it's adorable, but I did have to use my little micron pen on that because it was really small. Isn't that adorable? So here, I'll show you my little mini one here too. But so cute, really easy, very springtime, and I'm ready. The weather has gotten warmer, and I've got things popping up out of the ground, and it's just something to kind of look forward to when right now it might not seem like we have a lot. So I've been trying to step out and see the little things coming to life. So that's it. That easy. I know some people are just joining now and I'm already done. This was such a quick and easy live, but I just thought it's, you know, sometimes we just want ones that we don't have to think a whole lot about, and there's nothing better than flowers in the springtime to paint. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye.